Hello friends, I am your instructor Ghulam Mustafa from Data Analytics Consulting, and today we will learn how to apply different arithmetic and mathematical functions using Microsoft Excel. Now let's get started. This is our small database of different months from Jan to June, and we want to apply the functions like sum, average, median, minimum, maximum, etc. Now let's get started. If we want to apply the formula, go into the cell B15, apply the formula is equal to sum, press tab, select the range for the Jan only. How I will do it, control shift down arrow, whole range will be selected, then press enter. You will get the result for January. Now I want to get the resultant value for rest of month. I will drag it to the right up to the G15. You can see I get my result easily. And if you want to learn more techniques to apply sum function, you can see my previous video. I have uploaded its link into the description. Now I want to get the average of every month. Average is basically the same as mean in statistics. How I will do it, let's say if I want to apply this formula with single click, I will select the whole range, go into the formula bar, I will apply the formula average, press tab, then select the whole range for the Jan only, then press control enter. You can see your result has been applied for the rest of months as well. Now I want to apply the median function, means I want to get the median value of every data point. Let's say if our data is normally distributed, your mean value or median value would be the same. And if any value, let's say if your data is not centrally aligned and your data has dispersion or it has been dispersed, then your mean and median value would be the different. Now let's see how it applies into our data. Let's say if I want to apply the formula in each cell, go into the formula bar, apply the median function, which is built-in function in Microsoft Excel, then select the range for Jan only, then press control enter. You can see your result has been applied into the multiple cells. As you can see, our mean and median value is almost same in every data point. Let's say if I change this value and I can increase, let's say if I increase it up to 950, you can see my average has been increased significantly due to only this value. This is called outliers, means every extreme value can impact on our mean value, but it cannot it cannot have any effect in median value. Let's say if I increase it up to the fourth digit, you can see average has been increased up to 850 while the median is same. And inshallah I will upload a different video to differentiate and what is the difference between mean, median and mode. Now let's move into the maximum value, and I want to get the maximum value from our database. I will select the whole range, go to the formula bar, apply my formula max, then select the whole range for the Jan only. How I will do it, control shift down arrow, basically it will select the whole range and I will exclude cell B17, B16 and B15. Then I will press control enter. My result has been applied for the all months. There is another way for it. I want to get the minimum value of all these months. I will select the whole cells where I want to get the result, then go into the formula bar and in the auto sum option there is a small drop down that tells you that other than sum you can get other values as well with single click, and in this scenario I will click minimum, and you can see by apply single click I get the minimum value for the every database. Now there is a scenario that you want to get the second minimum value of your database. Let's say this is a database and the minimum value is 29, but you want to get the second minimum value, and in this scenario value is 33. How you will drive that value? For that purpose Excel has a built-in function that is small. If I will apply the formula small, you can say as I open my formula, initially it says that you have to select the whole range. I will select my range, then I have to select the nth value, means if you want to get the second minimum value you have to press 2, or if you want to get the third minimum value you will apply 3 over there. In this scenario I want to get the second minimum value, I will press 2, then get my answer. Move it to the right and drag it to the right so that you may get to the rest of cells. Let's say if I change my minimum value, it's 30, our data our formula will be updated accordingly. Likewise, you want to get the second maximum, let's say who get the second position in every month. How you will do it? In this scenario, maximum is 80 and I want to get the second maximum value, and let's assume that your database has more than 10,000 values. How you will extract it? Easily, just go into the formula bar, apply the formula, that is built-in function in Microsoft Excel, large. Again, likewise, small function, I will select the whole range, then I will press K. K is the constant, means if you want to get the second maximum you will press 2, or if you want to get the third maximum you will press 3. In this scenario, I want to get second maximum, I will press enter, then drag it to the right. My formula has been my cells has been updated. Let's say if we want to increase the maximum value over there, let's say 150. As you can see, I update any value, my whole functions, my whole cells has been updated accordingly. The end of the today's video. Inshallah, in the next video I will come up with the different functions like sum if, average if and count if. Please give your feedback in the comments section so that I may design and revamp my course accordingly. Thank you very much.